Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 3:15 Eastern Time. Markets still in an interesting way. The stock market very volatile, fuel very volatile, but we'll get right to the markets. Cotton market closed higher today. We had some exports and sales today that were very, very good. The sales, we had a marketing year high for upland sales of right at 442,000 bales, with China taking 184,000. A year ago, we saw where China also bought a slug of cotton. Now, you know, they have that New Year's celebration in February, so maybe this is in preparation of that. Shipments today for cotton were very strong too, 228,000. That also was a marketing year high. And China was the largest recipient of those sales at 50,000. And so the market shot up to 60 and a quarter on the spot month. But did back off a little bit. We went out around 59.5, up about 50 points. But all this seemed to do was to just encourage the sideways congested trading that the market's, I guess, not been enjoying, but that's been the case of it. Over in the grains today, beans were down today despite the fact that we had good exports. I think some of the weather down in South America is changing to the bearish side. And so beans were down about 18 cents today. And they really kind of did a little downside breakout, so they may be on their way. Corn today had good exports from a week ago, 818,000 metric tons. But again, corn caught some more selling. I think the Midwest farmer that didn't sell out of the field back during harvest is now starting to move those beans and corn, and so I think that's putting pressure on the grains as well. Wheat also today down about a nickel. Although wheat sales were very strong last week, but nonetheless, they actually were down on the 4-week average, so we had one good up week. The dollar remains strong today. The stock market still weak. Crude oil down $2 today. Just a lot of volatility, a lot of roiling around in the markets. Now, the markets are closed Monday for MLK Day, so tomorrow will be the last of the week, and we could see some shoring up, some evening up in some of these markets that are extremely oversold, but of course that remains to be seen. Cattle today sharply lower. There's an interesting thing happening there. I think we know that cash cattle are higher while the futures are actually lower, so there's something in there that's got to give, and we'll have to let that play out as well. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.